Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Developers. Friends, in this video we are going to learn 4.3 O Captain, My Captain. It's chit chat, margin questions and workshop from 10th standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started our video. Oh Captain, My Captain. It's warming up and chit chat. Discuss the following with your classmates. A. What are the important games played in your school? Answer is we play cricket, basketball, kabaddi, football, etc. in our school. Now next, B. Who are the captain of the various team games? Name them. Answer games and captains. Cricket Rohan More, basketball Karan Shinde, kabaddi अक्षय रावते, फुटबॉल नितीन मालिक. जर बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपापल्या वर्गातील नावं लिहिली तरी चालतील. इथे मी उदाहरणादाखल हे दिलेले आहे, तुम्ही तुमच्या वर्गातील विद्यार्थ्यांची नावं सुद्धा लिहू शकता. देन नेक्स्ट C. What is the role played by a team game's captain? What are her responsibilities? Answer a captain decided the positions of the players. He discusses the strategies with them. He create a team spirit. A captain encourage the players. C झाले तर D बघूया आपण. D. What is the role of the captain of a ship? What are the responsibilities of the captain of a ship? कोणती बघूया आपण त्याची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कोणती असते? Answer is the captain of a ship gives order to the different crew members. He keeps watch on the sea. He takes the decisions to change the route in case of danger. He decides the speed and direction of the ship. Now next, in pairs find as many meaningful words as you can from the following grid within 5 minutes. You can find word horizontally and vertically. Hint: the word are related to battle or battleship. For example, soldiers. बघा बॅटल आणि बॅटलशिपशी रिलेटेड शब्द तुम्हाला हॉरिझॉन्टली किंवा व्हर्टिकली उभे किंवा आडवे तुम्हाला सर्च करायचे आहेत. याच्यापासून बघा इथे दिलेले आहेत आन्सर कसे दिलेले आहेत बघा. इथे दिले बघा पहिला शब्द आहे BRAVE मीन्स ब्रेव. त्याच्यानंतर आहे बघा NAVIGATION मीन्स नेव्हिगेशन आहे बघा. हा शब्द असा आडवा आहे नेव्हिगेशन. देन आहे पुन्हा सॅल्यूट आहे बघा शब्द SALUTE सॅल्यूट. त्याच्यानंतर बघा इथे उभा शब्द आहे STEER स्टिअर. देन इथे शब्द आहे बघा कंपास. त्याच्यानंतर बघा BATTI मीन्स BATTI मीन्स बॅटल. सॉरी BATTL बॅटल आहे. खाली शब्द सोल्जर दिलेला आहे इथे शब्द. त्याच्यानंतर बघा अँकर शब्द इथे आहे ANCHOR अँकर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर इथे उभा शब्द बघा. इथे अजून बघा सॅल्यूट शब्द आहे इथे. त्याच्यानंतर आहे बघा फ्युनरल आहे. त्याच्यानंतर बघा बोर्ड आहे. त्याच्यानंतर इथे SAILOR सेलर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर विक्ट्री आहे. त्याच्यानंतर लाईट आहे. अशा प्रकारचे शब्द आपल्याला उभे आणि आडवे शोधता येतील या चार्ट पासून. पुढे बघूया आपण ओ कॅप्टन माय कॅप्टन. इट्स मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. मार्जिन क्वेश्चन बघूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देयर इज अ what is the location of the battleship? त्या बॅटलशिपची लोकेशन काय होती? Answer is the battleship is near the port. च्या पोर्टच्या जवळ होती. Second question, what is the people waiting to welcome the captain of the ship? Answer, the people are waiting eagerly with banquets and garland of flowers welcome the captain of the ship. Now third question. Third question, why is the speaker filled with grief? Answer is, the speaker is filled with grief because the captain of the ship, who was like his father, is dead. Now question number 4, in what state does the captain lie on the deck? Answer is, the captain lies dead and cold on the deck. His lips are pale and still. He has no pulse or will. Now, O captain, my captain, it's English workshop. English workshop of O captain, my captain. Question number 1. Put out from the poem all words related to ship. Make a list of them in a word register. बघूया आपण रिलेटेड शिपशी रिलेटेड शब्द बघा कोणकोणते आहेत. पोर्ट आहे, देन कॅप्टन आहे, कील आहे, डेक आहे, फ्लॅग आहे, शोअर्स आहे आणि अँकर आहे आणि व्हॉयेज आहे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रीड द पोएम अगेन अँड कम्प्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. ही पुढील दिलेले वाक्य पूर्ण करायचे आहेत. आन्सर्स आर गिवन डायरेक्टली, ते उत्तर आपण दिलेले आहेत. ए आहे बघा, द कॅप्टन लाईज ऑन द डेक. आन्सर इज कोल्ड अँड डेड. B, the captain doesn't answer as. Answer is his lips are pale and still. C, captain does not feel anything. Answer is touch. D, the bugle and flag are trill and flinging. Answer is trilling and flinging, but trailing and flinging. Question number 3. The poem has a direct reference to the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln on 15th April 1865 after the Civil War was over. Match the symbols, images in column A with what they refer to in column B. Answers are given directly. Answer दिलेले आहेत बघा कशा आहेत. ए मधला बघा पहिला आहे बघा ए आणि बी. ए मध्ये आहे फर्स्ट आहे बघा द शिप. आन्सर इज युनायटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. द fearful trip or voyage. Its answer is the deathly civil war. Third, the port. Answer is victory in the war. 4, the bell or ringing. Answer is of celebrating victory. 5, captain. Answer is the president of USA. 6, anchor safe. Answer is peace after winning the war. 7, no pulse nor will. Answer is lifeless or dead. Now question number 4, A. The figure of speech apostrophe exists throughout the poem. Pick out lines where the poet directly addresses. A. The dead captain. 1. Captains raise up and hear the bells. 2nd, here captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. B. The grief in his heart. 1. Heart, oh bleeding drop of red. 2nd, the bleeding drop of red. C. The sea shore. First, exult, O shores. Exult, O shores. 2nd, for you the shores are crowding. Now B. Find from the poem one example of each of the following. पुढे बा दिलेला आहे. Answer are given directly. Personification, the vessel scream and daring. 2nd, B. Alliteration, the ship is anchor safe and sound. C. C. Repetition. Oh hurt, hurt, hurt. D. Exclamation. Oh captain, my captain. E. Tautology. Cold and dead, safe and sound. F. Antithesis. Fearful trip. Now question number 5. Find an answer in your own words. बघा, find an answer in your own word मध्ये बघा A आहे. What are the sign of the people celebrating victory? Answer is people are ringing the bells, feeling the flag. Flagging the flag. The bugle is also being played loudly. These signs show that people are celebrating victory. B. The crowds on the shore are eagerly waiting to facilitate the captain. How? Answer. People have bought banquets, ribbon or garlands to felicitate the captain, and they are also calling him. C. What are the signs that the captain has passed away? Answer is there are blood drops. The captain is fallen cold, motionless, and his lips are pale and still. The signs indicates that the captain has passed away. Now D. Dear father, this arm beneath you head by your head. Why do you think the speaker in the poem puts his arm under the captain's head? And answer is the captain is lying cold. The speaker puts his arm under the captain's head, hoping that the captain would get up. The speaker is hoping against hope. Now E question. Describe the grief that the speaker in the poem feels at the death of his captain. Answer. The speaker in the poem addresses the captain ardently. He appeals the captain to rise up. He puts his arm beneath the head of the dead captain. He also tells the captain to see the flying flag, colorful banquets, ringing bells bought for him. At the end, the speaker understands that the captain wouldn't get up, so he mournfully walked away from him. Question number 6. Glance through the poem again to find who are the speaker addresses in the first two stanza and the last stanza. Answer. In the first two stanza, the speaker addresses to the captain and to the hurt. In the last stanza, the speaker addresses the showers and the bells. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Fill in the qualities in the diagram given below. Fill in the qualities. Fill करायचे आहेत आपल्याला बघा. Qualities fill करायचे डायग्राम मध्ये दिलेल्या qualities कशा आहेत बघा. Qualities of the ship's captain. इथे बघा these are the qualities of the ship's captain. कोणकोणते आहेत बघा. Naval expert, knowledge of weather science. Now qualities of nation's leader. Nation leaderच्या qualities कोणकोणते असल्या पाहिजेत बघा. कोणते बघा. ह्युमॅन असलं पाहिजे बघा. ते सिम्पथेटिक आहे. रोल मॉडेल, सेल्फलेस सर्व्हिस असली पाहिजे. आता कॉमन क्वालिटीज या दोन्ही मधील म्हणजे शिपच्या कॅप्टन मधला आणि नेशनच्या लीडर मधला ह्या दोन्हीतील कॉमन कोणत्या असतील कॉमन क्वालिटीज तर करेज असलं पाहिजे. करेज, इंटिग्रिटी, विजनरी, कॉन्फिडन्स, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन देन लीडरशिप असले पाहिजे. देन फोरसाइट आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड आहे आणि गुड ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर असलं पाहिजे. अशा प्रकारच्या क्वालिटीज दोन्हीच्या आहेत या. नाव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग चूजिंग फ्रॉम द अल्टरनेटिव्ह. बघा अल्टरनेटिव्ह दिलेल्या पर्यायातून योग्य पर्याय निवडायचा आहे. ए आहे द राईम स्कीम ऑफ द पोयम इज. आन्सर इज AA, BB, CD, ED. This answer is was. Now B, the line repeated in every stanza? Answer is fallen cold and dead. C. The steady rhyme or the steady rhythm in the poem consists of a pattern of. Answer is 4. D. In the stanza, the speaker does not address the captain. 3rd. Answer is 3rd. E. The type of poem is because it is composed in dash dash memory of past. Answer is elegy. Means the types of poem is because it is composed in elegy, memory of pass away personality, like elegy. Question number 9. The feeling of grief and pain of the speaker in this poem are comparable to those of a great Maratha leader in spite of winning the battle of a fort in Maharashtra. Guess who the great Maratha leader was and the captain who was killed in the battle. Write down other basic historical facts of the above. बघा कसं लिहिता येईल बघा हिस्टॉरिकल फॅक्ट्स. हिस्टरी बघा कसं आहे, याचा आन्सर कसं लिहिता येईल. द मराठा लीडर वॉज शिवाजी महाराज. हिज हर्ट वॉज फुल ऑफ ग्रीफ अँड पेन व्हेन तानाजी मालुसरे डायड. द कॅप्टन वॉज तानाजी मालुसरे. तानाजी मालुसरे fought bravely. He fought against Mughal Sardar Udaybhan. He fought to capture the prime fort Kondhana. Tanaji Malusari fought till the last breath. He achieved great success. It is one of the major events in the history of Maratha. He was famous for his bravery. King Shivaji described him Sinho, a lion. King Shivaji lamented on Tanaji Malusare's death. Moreover, Tanaji Malusare was summoned up when his son was about to get married. In this poem, O Captain, the speaker Walt Whitman's heart is full of grief and pain. For Abraham Lincoln, who was US leader, he fought against slavery in America. He fought till the last breath. Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. Abraham Lincoln succeeded in rooting out slavery in America. Now question number 10. The poem describes the sad demise of the captain. How would you console the son of the captain? Write the short paragraph using the points given below. 1. A. Expressing grief on the dead. B. An act of God. C. Words, sentences given strength and courage of face the situation. D. Add your own points. Then destiny or the destiny. कसा हे आन्सर कसं लिहिता येईल याचं. Oh, son of the great captain and brave father, calm down. I can understand the feeling of torn heart. How difficult it is to accept this fact that your father is no more. The destiny has played a cruel game with your father. Blood froze in veins when I heard about the sad demise of your father. It seems as if the sky fall on me. But my brother, be brave. Swallow this pill of grief for us. Maybe God has proposed something else for us. Accept it as an act of God. He is our supreme Father. He knows your father. God knows how selfless and human your father was. God would definitely do just judgment. Please rise up. You have to come out of this grief as early as possible. Your mother would collapse if you lost yourself. Be a phoenix bird, or the phoenix bird, sorry. Be a phoenix bird. We are with you. We are your rock supports. Many great men were assassinated by madmen. History witnessed them. But remember, a person can be assassinated but not his thoughts. Your father would remain alive in the heart of people till end or the eternity. The nation never forget the human beings like your father. You have to carry forward your father's remain work. For the people like us, you are the ray of hope. Who will carry forward the work of humanity without you. So please wipe off your tears, awake, rise and walk till ultimate goal is not achieved. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला याचा क्वेश्चन आन्सर लिहिता येईल.